Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of super soft fluffy Chinese BAO buns. These buns are super easy to make if you follow my recipe steps carefully. The dish is feast for the eyes and delicious too. Grab one bun, break it and see how soft and fluffy the bun is. Dip it in a chutney and enjoy. It's fabulous, isn't it? So let's begin the process. Take 3 cups of all-purpose flour in a container. Make a hole at the center. Add 1 teaspoon of active yeast, one teaspoon of sugar as sugar activates the yeast quickly, half teaspoon of salt. Tata salt has been used as it is healthy to consume. Next, add half teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon of oil. Mix the ingredients well. Add 1 cup of whole fat milk or normal milk. Do not add milk together. Add little by little so that the dough should form medium soft. It should neither be too soft nor too hard. Knead the dough at least for 5 minutes to form a smooth dough. Place the dough on a work surface and knead. Knead the dough by stretching forward with the base of the palm and again pulling back in order to make wheat gluten more stretchable. Keep on kneading until the dough becomes smooth. When the dough becomes smooth, gather the dough and give it a round shape by pulling inwards. Grease the container with oil all over inside and transfer the dough into that container. Cover the dough with a coating of oil to prevent from drying. Next, cover the container with a towel and leave for 1 hour to rise if the weather is hot. If the weather is cold, leave it for 2 hours. After 1 or 2 hours, remove the towel and check for the dough. Dough has been doubled of its size. Place the dough on a work surface. Stretch the dough by pressing with hand or a rolling pin. Keep on stretching the dough until it achieves half centimeter thickness. Next, fold the dough tightly inwards to form a log. Press the log with hands to make it longer and uniform in size. When it becomes uniform, cut it with a knife into 6 equal pieces. Press each cut piece with hand to spread. Fold it tightly inwards to create multiple layers inside the bun. After folding, keep the bun upside down and pull to give a perfect round shape. A round ball is formed. Place the bun on a paper. Repeat the process for other buns too. Now 6 smooth round buns are ready. Cover the buns with a towel for half an hour for further rising. After half an hour, remove the towel and see the buns have risen well and ready to be cooked. Transfer the buns into a steamer. Steam over a boiling water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check the buns. The buns have been cooked perfectly. If you find my recipe impressive, please like, comment and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye till we meet next. Stay safe and healthy.